All right, you guys, what is happening today? We are back for another video. And this video, we are going to be covering how to exactly attract new clients using social media. Now, we have to remember that social media is our greatest tool for advertising because one, it is free, and two, it has a very, very, very large reach. Now, social media can be anything from Instagram to TikTok to Facebook to YouTube. Using these platforms is going to be your best bet at getting your content out there, your name out there, and the service that you're providing. So Instagram is always going to be the number one. So how do we get more clients in our chair based off of the content that we're putting out? So we have to remember that people only do business with people that they know, like, and trust. And the only way to get our viewers, our audience, to know, like, and trust us is through using three different types of posting styles for our content. That being value, connection, and social proof. So let's get straight into it. Value posts. What is a value post and how does a value post work? So a value post. These posts are great for attracting new clients. So it is value that we provide. It has to help them solve a problem or pain that they are currently experiencing. Now, this type of value is going to be, say for example, how to style your hair, products to use in your hair if you have thick hair that's hard to style, maybe products for people that are balding. You know, we always want to create this content that's going to provide them value for some sort of pain that they're feeling. They're tired of waiting in busy barbershop waiting areas. You know, there's all of these different types of examples for pain that the client could be feeling. And when you provide them value that can help for a solution for that pain, they're going to see it as valuable. And if they see it as valuable, they're going to see you as valuable. Now, like I said, for example, a client, how can I style my hair like you guys do when I get home from the barbershop? We've heard it over and over again. People are like, I just can't get it quite like how you get it. So that's a great example for content that you're going to put out that is going to help your viewers, going to help your audience. And what it's really going to do is it's going to build a lot of trust. They're going to trust you because you're giving them the answers to their problems. Now, two, the second post that we're going to do is we're going to do a connection post. Now, these ones are super important because this one makes your audience resonate with you. And if people resonate with you, they're going to seem a lot more like you and they're going to be a lot more interested to sit in your chair because you're very similar. Now, these are excellent posts for building relationships over social media because what it does is gets the viewer to resonate and relate with you, which in turn will put them in your chair faster. You know, at the end of the day, the majority of clients that I have, they're the same type of people as me. We share the same interests. We have a lot of the same things. We have a lot of the same goals. We're moving in that same direction. And that's why when you can put connection posts, it'll really bring in the people that are going to be most like you. But if all you do is just post pictures of haircuts, how do we know who you are? One of the biggest problems that I see over and over again is barbers' Instagrams only being haircuts. It's only social proof. Who are you? How do we know who you are? What's your story? You know, I want to know all of these things about you because when I know more about you, I'm going to connect on a deeper level with you and it's going to make me trust you a lot more. Now, at the end of the day, where I realized this was years back. I was only posting pictures of my haircuts and maybe they were getting 20 to 40 to 50 likes. And as soon as I posted a picture of myself, it got well over 100 likes. And I was like, wow, maybe people like me more than they like my haircuts. The haircut's just something I provide, but it's really who I am, my energy, my personality that people like the most. And that's why they keep coming back to me is because obviously, yes, I give a good haircut, but two, they like who I am as a person. Now, three, social proof. This is going to be a very powerful post, but do not overuse it. Most barbers overuse the crap out of this post, and it's just their whole page is just pictures of haircuts. It's like, that's boring. Like, you know, you seem like a very boring person that all your pictures are just haircuts. Like, okay, we get it. You cut hair, you're a good barber. Sick. Let's see more than that. So when it goes to social proof, I don't have anything wrong with social proof, but it has to be used just in the same equal amounts as the value and the connection. So social proof is the one style of post that is done way too much. Most barbers' profiles is all you see is only pictures of haircuts. So stick to an even balance of all three. So social proof, like I said, it's going to be the pictures of the haircuts, videos of the haircuts of your clients, because at the end of the day, if you post a picture of a client and they got their haircut from you, now somebody else that knows that person sees that photo and they go, hey, Kyle got a haircut from X barber, maybe I will as well. I'm looking for a new barber. I trust Kyle that he has a good opinion, so then I'll go see that person as well. So that's where that social proof comes in. It builds a lot more of that trust as well. And in turn, all of these types of posts, what they're really doing is they're getting the people to really think about you in a positive light. They're getting to know you on a deeper level. You're adding value to their life to solve their problems, and you're showing them the service that you provide. So these are going to be the three main posting styles on which that you post. And I guarantee you, as soon as you start doing this, you're going to notice that your audience is warming up a lot more to you. You're getting a lot more likes in. And when you get those likes in from those photos, that's telling you that the audience is saying, hey, I really like what you're doing. I like who you are. I like your style. I like your haircuts. And those would be great people to reach out to get them booked in for a service in your chair. Now, you guys, now you've been enlightened. You know exactly how to post on social media. There's no excuse not to post. Get to work today, and let's see you win. Let's go.